Did you know that after a banana is harvested, the entire plant is usually just thrown away? What a waste. But what if I told you that this so-called waste could actually change lives? That's right, we're talking about the banana stem. It's packed with super absorbent fibers, perfect for making something essential, sanitary pads. Here's how it works. First, the stems are collected and chopped up. Then, they go through a process that extracts and cleans the long, strong fibers inside. These fibers are then mashed into a soft pulp, which gets flattened into thin, absorbent sheets. These sheets are then cut, layered, and sealed to create soft, comfortable, and biodegradable sanitary pads. This incredible innovation not only reduces agricultural waste, but also provides affordable and eco-friendly hygiene products for communities in need. From farm to factory, it's a brilliant cycle of sustainability. This transformation highlights the value of natural resources. For more informative product journey, to subscribe to From Raw to Ready Lab. Thanks for watching.